Good morning, railroad fans of the Cajon Pass. Got a westbound, milepost 60, main track number 2. Let's enjoy. See Buddy down there in the car? Happy weekend, everybody. It's another beautiful morning in the Cajon Pass. We're at the Rocks. Nice stack intermodal. Pretty much international containers. Yeah, Buddy's just watching from the passenger seat right now. He was out a little while ago. Hasn't been real busy yet. Been out about an hour. This is our third train. First one here. We're moving around a little bit today. We're migrating a lot. Mix it up. We got mid DPUs. Looks like we have a heritage unit. Looks like I think it's a BNSF Executive model. It's beautiful. Nice. That's an executive Mac. I'll find out when I go look it up afterwards. That's a nice treat. I don't see those very often. I think it's only the second, maybe third time. Probably the second time. So we still have some cars coming now. We had those mid DPUs. On a train like this, it usually means a double flash up. When they get near the yard, they'll probably break it in two because they can't fit this whole thing in the yard. And with the engines right in the middle there, it helps them along the way and helps them get in the yard too. Whole bunch of Schneiders. This train is sectioned out very nicely. You can see where they picked up the different loads. All right, railroad fans of the Cajon Pass, we know you like what you see. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that red button down there, and yeah, subscribe. Click the bell so you get the notifications. Please share with your friends. Help us out on Patreon. You'll find the link on any description. We really want to thank our patrons so much for their help. We could use some more. We also have super thanks now and super chat, so if you want to help us more directly, that's a quick way to do it. Keep us going strong. All right, you guys, we love you, and we'll catch you on the next one. Take care. Love you guys. I'll say hi to Buddy for you. This guy's trying to get through the wash in a moped. Sorry, I couldn't turn it off yet. He's got some speed going now. He might make it. Later, guys. Love you. Bye-bye.